Welcome to Brainy Bits TV.
Project Neuralink. Project Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. The company's goal is to develop brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, that can be used to treat neurological disorders and enhance human cognition. Neuralink's BCIs are implanted into the brain and use thin threads to record electrical signals from neurons. These signals can then be sent to a computer, which can be used to control devices or even restore lost functions. The company has already made significant progress in developing its BCIs. In 2019, Neuralink showed a video of a monkey playing Pong with its mind. The monkey was able to control the game using a Neuralink implant that was placed in its brain. Neuralink is still in the early stages of development, but the company has ambitious plans for the future. The company hopes to start human trials of its BCIs in 2023. If these trials are successful, Neuralink could revolutionize the way we treat neurological disorders and enhance human cognition. Potential benefits of Neuralink. Neuralink's BCIs have the potential to revolutionize the way we treat neurological disorders. For example, the company's BCIs could be used to treat paralysis, stroke, and Alzheimer's disease. They could also be used to improve the lives of people with autism and other developmental disorders. In addition to treating neurological disorders, Neuralink's BCIs could also be used to enhance human cognition. For example, the company's BCIs could be used to improve memory, learning, and problem-solving. They could also be used to give people new abilities, such as the ability to control machines with their minds. Potential risks of Neuralink. While Neuralink's BCIs have the potential to be incredibly beneficial, there are also some potential risks associated with the technology. One risk is that the implants could cause damage to the brain. Another risk is that the implants could be hacked, which could lead to privacy concerns or even physical harm. It is important to weigh the potential benefits and risks of Neuralink's BCIs before deciding whether or not to use the technology. However, if the technology is successful, it could have a profound impact on the way we live our lives. Recent developments. The FDA has approved Neuralink to implant chips into the brains of humans in a clinical trial. The approval was granted on May 25, 2023. And it allows Neuralink to implant its BCIs in up to 10 people with severe spinal cord injuries. The Neuralink BCI is a small, flexible device that is implanted in the brain. It contains a cluster of electrodes that can record electrical signals from neurons. These signals can then be sent to a computer, which can be used to control devices or even restore lost functions. The FDA's approval of Neuralink's BCI is a significant milestone for the company. It is the first time that the FDA has approved a BCI for human trials. The approval is also a sign of the potential that BCIs have to treat neurological disorders and enhance human cognition. However, it is important to note that the FDA's approval is only for a clinical trial. The trial will involve a small number of people, and it will be closely monitored by the FDA. If the trial is successful, Neuralink could then seek approval to market its BCI to a wider population. The potential benefits of Neuralink's BCI are significant. The device could potentially be used to treat a wide range of neurological disorders, including paralysis, stroke, and Alzheimer's disease. Conclusion. Project Neuralink is a cutting-edge technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we treat neurological disorders and enhance human cognition. While there are some potential risks associated with the technology, the potential benefits are significant. It will be interesting to see how Neuralink's BCIs develop in the years to come.
Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos.